Hey, what's up, YouTube? This Chaz Jones with Full Throttle Auto, the shop, and today I'm gonna take y'all on a journey with me while I do this 91 Z28 Camaro. Been down here with this scrub brush so far. Getting these brake lines, all these fuel lines right here. This is the brake line. Somebody put this on, but it's coming pretty good with this brush. I got some more tools I'm gonna show y'all about. They need a whole floor pan. I'm just going one step at a time. I'm trying to scrub this rear end down and spray him down. I got a gasket I'm gonna put in here. I'm gonna clean it up and paint it. But see how these lines was real bad. I didn't think I was gonna be able to save them. I know this floor plan. I don't know. I'm gonna hit it with the scrub brush and see how good it comes. We gonna see, man. But look how smooth this came. And it was just looking like this, like. I'm about to do this one and come back and show y'all. I think most of this can be knocked off. Well, honestly, in better shape than I thought. I knocked this down. It's pretty solid. No leaks coming. I got some new struts I'm gonna put on here and stabilizer links. And I want to paint this bar. So let's get it. Be right back with y'all. Get out. It don't look too bad. I just hit that with the wire brush. I'm gonna pull out the big tools on it. It's smooth. It's brought back. I'm about to bring out these. And use this on the tight spots. Right up in there. I'm about to get this together. Yeah, it done got dark on me now. But I'm trying to get this stabilizer link bar off. It take a 13 at the top. And one at the bottom too. But it ain't budging. I'm gonna have to go a different route. I'm about to have to chop him off. Get right back with you. Last night, so I wanted to start today off with showing y'all some of the tools I'm gonna be using. Sprayed down the greasy part of the rear end, the middle part, with that spray bottle and some good Dawn and bleach. I've been letting it soak, and the rest of it I've been scrubbing with the brush handles and that wire wheel. And then after I get it all cleaned and scrubbed down, right before I paint it, I'm gonna hit it with them tails and the prep oil. I might be going a little overboard. I just want it to last. And man, I'm using this right now. Still trying to chop off this sway bar link. So let's get these bad boys off so I can clean up them control arms a little better. Clean up that bracket. I'll be right back. Man, that took a little while, but I finally got them up. Whew. Got that stabilizer link off. I went through a few blades. And this thing is like seized on there, like for real. Like, yeah. It was on there bad, real bad. Whew. I need a break after that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these struts off next. I think I'm gonna take this whole piece off. So it look like it's easy to take off. Scrub it down with the brush, with the wire brush. Then paint it, then put it back on. Yeah. So let's see. Okay, y'all see how we've been coming along. Difference. So we're already started right there. I'm gonna cut this whole exhaust out. Take that heat shield out. Probably paint that gray. This exhaust too. Get some more exhaust black here. Paint this shiny black rear end. Do the undercoat on the body. Watch how this come together. I went ahead. I was gonna show y'all how I took these stabilizer links off. It's a 10 millimeter on the top and the bottom. But these bad boys were seized. So I had to chop him off with the sawzall. I did the other side too. Next I'm gonna take that strut off over there. It's like a 21 on the bottom and a 10 at the top. I'm gonna show y'all how to fan it at the top. And I'm gonna get them stabilizer link. This thing right here. Get that off, paint that black. Let's get it. Hey, good morning, y'all. This Chaz Jones with Full Throttle the Shop. Y'all update what I'm doing to this rear end so far. Sanded these down and painted them the black gloss. Wiped them down with the prep oil. Took the brake lines off. I'm gonna redo them. I primered this down, sanded it down, primed it, all of this. Hit this with the prep oil. And then primed it all up in the wheel wells. And I'm gonna hit it with the rubberized coating. Hopefully the primer will keep it, help it stick. And then after that, I'm gonna hit it with some, I'm gonna coat everything with some, I'm gonna have to show y'all that in a minute. Alright, so I'm about to hit that with the rubber, hit that with the gloss. I'm just going to right there. I still gotta change the seal and the gasket and everything, so I'm just go right to right there. Then after I get the fluid change, I'll keep going. Then I'm gonna do the other side. Just doing 1/4 at a time. Do this side, do the middle, do the other side. The other strut off. And all that. Then I got new struts and stabilizer links. That's what connects to this right here. That's where that goes for the stabilizer links. Alright, I'll be right back. So there's probably one going on the outside, one going on the inside.